welcome to my channel. So today we are doing an actual true 30-minute from start to finish dinner. So easy and it's really healthy. So we're going to be making salmon foil pouches. We are making salmon foil pouches. So I'm going to be using this. This is the Costco, so Kirkland sockeye salmon. We buy this all the time. I've got a few pieces of this already defrosting in some cool water in the sink. To my pouches, I'm going to be adding some bell pepper, some red onion, and that is pretty much it, and serving it over some quinoa. So let's take a look at how we are going to get that quinoa made.
So I am adding 2 cups of rinsed quinoa to my Instant Pot. And to the 2 cups, we're going to be doing 4 cups of liquid, any liquid of your choice. I'm using chicken stock here. And I think I mixed in a little water because I didn't have quite enough stock. So I'm going to add that all into my pot, and I'm going to cover it, set it to seal, and cook for 1 minute, 10-minute natural release, and it makes perfect quinoa. Now I'm just going to get started chopping up the bell pepper.
So just little strips like this. My name is Melissa, by the way. I never said that. This channel is very, very new, but I do a lot of grocery hauls and cooking. It's a lifestyle grocery haul cooking channel. So I would love to have you subscribe if you are new. And please leave any comment or question. I get excited when I see comments on my video. I love to reply to them. Okay, now, the most hated thing, chopping onion. My eyes tear so bad. So I think we're probably just gonna do about half of the red onion. Oh, this always ruins my mascara. Oh, my eyes are still burning. So I have got my salmon here. You can see it's just a couple, I just dripped water on the floor. Oh my gosh. It's just a couple of fillets here that I have defrosted almost completely. Not quite. I like to leave them just a little bit frozen. I just feel like when I throw them in the oven and cook them that they stay a little fresher that way. I've rinsed them, pat them dry. So as far as seasonings go, it's really totally up to you what you want to do. So today for me, I'm just going to be doing some smoked paprika. Never put smoked paprika on salmon before, but I have a feeling it'll be just fine. So some smoked paprika, some granulated onion, some garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then a little bit of olive oil.
I just quickly want to mention that you can really put whatever veggies in here you want, like zucchini or mushrooms, just as long as the cooking time is going to mirror whatever meat you've got inside the pouch.
Salmon pouches are going on to a baking sheet and into a 400-degree oven. How long you decide to let them cook is kind of up to you in a way. 20 minutes, the salmon will be cooked enough that you can eat it. But for me, I find that the veggies aren't as tender as I would like them to be. So 25 minutes is perfect for me. So 400 degrees, 25 minutes, and you'll be set. The quinoa is also just about done. It has about 6 more minutes of natural release and it'll be ready to go. Our Instant Pot timer is now complete. You can see it's been in there 11 minutes. You kind of want to be strict with sticking to the 10 minutes to let this natural release, because if you let it go any further, it will overcook it. So I'm just going to go ahead and release the steam. Okay, you can see it's like perfectly cooked and fluffy.
Be very careful when you are opening up these pouches. You don't want that steam to burn you. Now I am just checking the firmness of the salmon. That'll tell me how done it is. I tend to like mine a little bit more firm, so obviously reduce the cooking time if you would like yours to be a little bit underdone. Now it's time to plate our dish. I decided to top it with some fresh basil because I thought it would look pretty. And there it is, it's all done. So please like and subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And thank you so much for watching.